the next generation in bike parts cleaning. The ROwasher, made in the UK by Rozone, is the most technologically and environmentally advanced parts washer on the market. It makes cleaning bike parts quick, safe, and a more pleasant experience. The technology we've developed is really clever, with a host of eco-friendly features that safeguard both the health and safety of your staff and your customers, whilst lowering the impact on the environment and your electricity bill. Nobody likes using messy rags and sprays to clean bike parts. It's filthy, it's ineffective, and it takes way too much time. The ROwasher is a cleaner, tidier, and faster solution, creating no mess or waste and saving a lot of valuable time and money. And it's not just about saving money. Using a ROwasher will make you money by increasing your workshop's efficiency. It'll help you clean parts faster, service bikes faster, and ultimately get more bikes in and out of the work stand every day of the week, giving you more efficient mechanics and happier customers. Our ROwash Bike Fluid is a bike industry specific cleaning solution. It's designed specifically for use in bike workshops. What's more, it's pH neutral, non-hazardous, non-flammable, and emits no vapours. So not only is it 100% safe to use, it has no negative impact on retail environments. And finally, the ROwasher's insulated tank and low power eco mode saves you even more money on your electricity bill. Our testing has shown that electricity savings of around 42% against similar parts washers. This is the new generation of bike parts washing. What's not to like?